Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you box contents of the BT Smart Hub 2. This is latest smartest modem from BT. Let's start to opening. There are two network cables here, red and yellow. There is a UK plug and the adapter. So yeah, and the modem here, and there are two brochures here. This shows the contents of the box. There is nothing special here. And the installation guide. So yeah, can open the box. Yeah, there's a foldable X. All contents out of the box. That's all. This is BT's smartest hub, Smart Hub 2. Yeah. Thank you for watching.